Hello there, eBay enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a crucial and sometimes frustrating process. The eBay Refund Guide. Get your money back from a bad seller. Whether you've ended up with a damaged item, received something entirely different from what was described, or haven't received your item at all, I'm here to help you navigate the refund process step by step. So let's dive right in and get your money back. Is it your first time shopping on eBay? No worries, I've got you covered. First, you'll need to set up an account. Decide whether you want a personal or business account, and then provide your full legal name, email, and password. Click the Create an Account button and you'll be all set. For an even more streamlined experience, consider using Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or signing with Apple to create your account quickly. Now, let's talk about getting a refund from a bad seller. It's important to know that while this can be frustrating, there are effective steps you can take to improve your chances of success. Suppose you've recently purchased a size 9 Nike Air Jordan 3 Retro OG in mild black cement, and there's an issue with your order. Before escalating matters, first, try to contact the seller directly via eBay's messaging system. Politely explain the problem and request a resolution. In many cases, sellers are open to resolving issues to maintain their positive seller ratings and avoid negative feedback. To contact the seller, simply click the Contact Seller button. When you do this, make sure to detail the issue you've encountered. For example, if the item arrived damaged, you can include photos showing scratches or discoloration to bolster your case for a refund. Additionally, you can opt to send a copy of this message to your email for your records before hitting send. If the seller remains unresponsive or unwilling to help, the next step is to open a return request on eBay. Navigate to My eBay, then click on Purchase History. Locate the problematic item and select Return this item. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, providing the reason for your return, and submit the request. In situations where the seller still does not respond or refuses to issue a refund, you can escalate the matter to eBay customer support. Click on Help and Contact to access eBay's Resolution Center. Here, you can report transaction issues by providing all relevant information and evidence, such as screenshots of communications with the seller and proof of the item's condition. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting your money back from a bad seller on eBay. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, your satisfaction as a buyer is important, and eBay provides tools to help you resolve such issues effectively. Stay safe and happy shopping.